don't know why you are being stingy with that click.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nelly. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. If you have been watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you are just a hater, period. So you can tell by the title. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what is on my iPhone as a content creator. So I use an iPhone 11 currently, so I'll just show you guys the apps I use to create content and do other things that pertain content creation. I would share my phone screen so that you guys can see what I'm talking about somewhere here, one of these sites, while we are talking. So currently I'm using my brother's iPhone X to film, in case you're wondering what phone I'm using to film while doing this video. And it doesn't really have much space, so I'm going to make this video as quick as possible. First, let me show you guys my this is my wallpaper. My wallpaper says one step at a time, you get there. Basically, these are all the things I want in life. So this is more like a motivation. Whenever I wake up, I see my phone screen, I'm like, oh, yeah, I want this. So yeah, anyways, let's get right into the video. First app I use is obviously my camera. I use my camera to create content. Obviously, you need your camera to shoot and all of those things. Then the next thing is my notes and Notion. So I tag them productivity, in the sense that whenever an idea comes to me, I just type it down, and this way it's, you know, it motivates me to want to make that video or something like that. This just helps to jot down the ideas I have in my head. So yeah, that's that. The next thing I use is my video editing apps. It's Capcut and Inshot. So everybody asks me, oh, what app do you use to make this? What app do you use to make this? It's just Capcut and Inshot too. There's nothing special, nothing serious about it. I use the paid version of Inshot, but obviously it's like a free version. While Capcut, I use my data while I'm editing so that I can access certain features while I'm editing. Then go to the picture editing app. Now I use Lightroom, Facetune and Picsart to edit pictures, just pictures, while I use Canva and Picsart to edit thumbnails, graphics and all of those things. So basically all these things here is just for picture editing. Anything that has to do with picture editing, it's all these apps I use. Then I use Pinterest. Oh my god, see guys, Pinterest is the app that I draw inspiration from. Sometimes, like when I'm bored, I don't know what to create, I just go on Pinterest and just be scrolling like this until I actually get an idea. So Pinterest is like an inspiration board where you just go and gather ideas and come out and then create your own. So that's just what I use Pinterest for. Then obviously I use all the social media apps: WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram. So yeah, everybody use that too. Yep. I use Gmail separately because I have two emails. One is my personal email and one is my content creation email, or like business email. So my Gmail is for my business email. This way, if a brand wants to reach out to me and I want to see them easily, it will just pop up on this other side, instead of having to mix both of them together. And then if a brand sent me a message, I'm like, who is this person? Do you get me? For you to have my email, it means it has to be business related something. It has to be business related. Or if you want to reach out to me and you send it with my other email, my personal email, it's like we are like buddies, we're not business partners. But if you have my official email, and it's like, okay, you're talking business, let's talk business now. So yeah, if you want to take your content creation seriously, I'd advise you separate your personal email from your content creation email or your influencer email or whatever email you want to call it. Separate the both of them so that you don't get to mix anything up, and you don't get to lose opportunities when they come. Because sometimes brands, they're heavy to shake. They'll be like, oh, you did not reply me like in 1 week, 2 weeks, you're not serious. Because you probably think that it's all just emails, that these apps that you use your email to open send you, oh, subscribe to this, oh, do this one, oh, new arrival. So you probably think that it's not business. So yeah, separate your email if you don't want to risk losing jobs. Separate it. the next one is ChatGPT. I love this app because I'm a lazy person and ChatGPT does all my work for me. Let me tell you, Instagram captions, ChatGPT. Oh, video ideas, ChatGPT. Write a script, ChatGPT. Do this on Chat. Like, it makes my life so easy. I don't like stressing. This is my life, and ChatGPT is the best. But even when I want to be polite to people, I will enter ChatGPT. I will type something and I'll be like, this sounds too rude. I'll copy it, paste it, tell ChatGPT, please make this thing sound a little bit polite, or rephrase this thing to be a little bit polite. And it's just, it makes my work easier. And even if you want to reach out to brands as well and you've typed what you want to say, but to you it seems unprofessional, ChatGPT will turn it to a professional statement for you. That is not a problem. So you see, you need it. The next app I use is the WPS Office. So when I want to pitch to a client, or if I want to give an idea to a client after the short brief talk, after the whole email processing and everything, I want to show you a script or something like that, I use the WPS to make all those things look organized in files and PDF. So this way you know that yes, this person you're working with is a very serious content creator. She doesn't play with her business or whatsoever. So yeah, the WPS is good for you. Now, Linktree. I use Linktree to link all my links together. My YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, WhatsApp, all of those things, just put them in one. Even my portfolio, I use Linktree to put them in one. So that if you're asking me for my link for so thing, I will just give you that single Linktree link. Instead of going to search for link for this one, go there, find this one, you will get exhausted. But if you put them in one, when the person they open your Instagram, okay, it's good. Open your YouTube, okay. Open your TikTok, okay. Open your portfolio, okay. I want to work with this person. Instead of you send the brand your Instagram link, you wait. When the brand now asks you, oh, send your TikTok, you now send your TikTok. You wait. Oh, send your portfolio, you now wait, send your portfolio. That is like, it's like stress for both of you. Don't stress your clients. Do you understand me? Then the last one is Google Meet. I use Google Meet for meetings, but that's just basically what to communicate with my managers, communicate with clients. It's just for meeting purposes. That's just all I use Google Meet for. And there's an app again, Google Sheet. Google Sheet is to organize your content. So I had it before. I don't know why I uninstalled it, but I had it before. I use Google Sheet to arrange my calendar. To arrange my content calendar. So Monday I put this, Tuesday I want to do this, Wednesday I want to do this. This is after I finish writing down the ideas on Notion. Then I transfer them to Google Sheet and arrange them orderly. This way now, I am telling myself, you have to be consistent, you have to do this, you have to do that. I am like organized, I am planned. Everything is planned for me to do. I am very much organized. So yeah, that's basically all the apps I use for my phone as a content creator. So if you're a beginner and you don't know the apps you need for content creation, I hope this video really helps you to know the certain apps you need and what they are used for. I have another video in depth explaining the certain apps you need and what they can do for you and how they can help you, so you can go and check out that video. I really hope this video helps you. If it does, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel because it's free. I don't know why you are being stingy with that click. Please, it is very free. Just subscribe. God bless you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace and love. Bye.